Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to delete Twitter account. So all you have to do is to launch your Twitter application or X application and make sure that this one is up to date. The next thing you should do is to click your profile at the top left corner. Tap this one right here. Now scroll down and look for settings and privacy. Click this one and then tap this your account. When you tap this your account, you will see your options, but what you're going to do is to scroll down and click this deactivate your account. You can see the following here. You can read everything here, and once done, you can click now deactivate. Okay. And that's how you simply delete your Twitter account. But unfortunately, there is no option that says delete here. All you have to do is to simply wait for 30 days. If you haven't reactivated your account, then automatically your account will be deleted. So if you read here, you can restore your X account if it was accidentally or wrongly deactivated for up to 30 days after the activation. If not, then your account will be automatically deleted. And that's how it is. So all you have to do here is to confirm your password by typing your password here and then tap deactivate. And then don't reactivate it within 30 days. So if you have found this video helpful or if you want to suggest something, please do comment down below and please do like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.